What determines the wages? And basically the answer would be what was current in the business community. Well, the market determines it. So we came to the conclusion that if we accepted being paid low wages, it was because we were accepting it. So we began to speak with cities and the public entities, because living wages was something that's a big thing, but where could we start? So as a result, we have had, according to Professor Osterman, who has studied this and has helped us and walked through this process of a living wage campaign, it has become, and this is research, it has become the biggest campaign on living wages in the nation. And it was a wonderful occasion for us to see successes, and one success that built another, and it had a ripple effect, so that what started, for example, in Hidalgo or McAllen, started to have a ripple effect in Cameron and also in Brownsville. By the time we got to work on issues in Brownsville, the commissioners were already kind of saying, how shall we start working on this issue?
For me, it has been healthcare. Because both personally and professionally, I have seen the lack of healthcare and what it can do to not just the individuals, but to families. Unfortunately, here in the Valley, we don't have a public hospital. And so as a result, we found that there were many individuals without access to healthcare. Locally, because we found that there were many families that were working but opted not to take insurance because otherwise it was too costly and they were not going to be able to pay their family expenses. We found that 1 out of 4 in the Valley are without health care insurance. And so that means not having access to health care. We were successful, and a Milagro Clinic is one of those clinics that is available, not just for people in McAllen, it's really for everyone who needs to be seen where we want it to be, either for prevention or primary. We're tired of people having to resort to the emergency room. We don't want them to use that as their only health care provider, because it gets too expensive and then we all end up paying for it anyway.
Colonia is called Salida del Sol and the other one is Taurus. And then still there are many developments going on in this area. And so the people here, we don't have we have only septic tanks, and we don't have sewage system in all these colonias. Here money is given to the betterment of the colonias, that our people will have the sewage system. So this is where we are. We all have septic tanks, but we don't have wastewater system.
Bueno, antes de que entró Valley Interfaith aquí con nosotros, era un lugar que pues no teníamos drenaje, no teníamos calle, no había luz. Entonces el padre Jerry me mandó a Harlingen para que fuera ahí a la organización Valley Interfaith en 1983. Y ahí comencé yo a ir escuchando lo que se estaba diciendo. Entonces yo empecé a decirles que nosotros teníamos mucha necesidad aquí en la hilera, porque vivían, que no querían escucharnos. Había calle de tierra, que cuando llovía había mucho soquete, que los niños pues, venían a veces lloran porque se caen en el soquete, porque están todos muros de soquete también. Sí, muchos pozos también había. Sí. Y antes de eso hubo señores que anduvieron para que se conecte, pero nunca pudieron hasta que no entré yo a la organización esta que nos ayudó. Nos conectamos con Edinburgh.
It definitely has transformed my life. Vida here gave me the opportunity to save my money, and that's what I'm using to pay my tuition now. And if it wasn't for them, I seriously don't know what I would be doing.
Vida became a part of my family. They were supporting me. They were visiting me when I was in the hospital with my child when he was sick. I didn't know, I have no family right here, but they are my family.
Brownsville is finally seeing that a great part of its economic development means the development and growth of its own people.
Our actions are our voice. No al muro, no to the wall.
Work is not finished. We still need to help our human partners in this effort, in this struggle to get the basic needs to our homes.
Valley Interfaith and our community allies have launched a petition drive to gather 50,000 signatures of registered voters.
With that 25th anniversary convention, we're going to bring those 50,000 registered voters signatures, and we're going to present them to the candidates that are running for office, whether that be U.S. and state offices, to let them know that these constituencies of theirs are saying no to them.